Welcome to Brigade Eldorado, a remarkable residential project here in KIADB Aerospace, North Bangalore. This project redefines affordable luxury in North Bangalore. Spanning across 50 acres, this project is for those people who seek luxury, modern living, exceptional amenities and convenience that is unparalleled. Join me as I take you for an exclusive tour of this beautiful project and talk about the specific details like amenities, the configurations and of course the prices. The construction site of the project is right behind me. As you can see, from this project you can connect major social and economic infrastructures in maximum 30 minutes. You have St. Francis School at just 5 minutes, DPS, Ryan International School and Reva University at 30 minutes. From 5 to 30 minutes you can connect all of these places. In hospitals you have options of Mother Hospital, Relive Hospital, both at 25 and 30 minutes. The airport is going to be just 15 to 20 minutes. Even if it's a traffic full day, you can connect it in just 25 minutes. Major IT companies, around 452 companies are here in this location because it is a very strategic location. Names like Deloitte, Boeing, SAP, this was around the project. When you come inside this beautiful township, you have options of schools, colleges and malls. So let's go inside to the model of the project and talk about the specific details. Spread across 50 acres, this project offers 11 towers and there are 2 new upcoming towers, Beryl and Cobalt. You will be getting G+21 storied high-rise tower, and within the township itself you get options of schools, hospital. You have St. John Hospital just beside the upcoming tower. You have Global Mind School and a lot of options for shopping. You have mall, you have restaurants. So whether you want to enjoy with your family, have a good weekend, all of this thing is covered inside the project itself. This is a very fulfilling township project. All your needs are going to be catered right here, and plus 70% open space is going to be there inside this project so that the fresh vibes and nature fulfilling environment is maintained in the township itself. The project offers you a lot of options in leisure and recreational facilities, whether you're looking for a fitness oriented lifestyle or a very relaxing environment where you can chill with your family members. All options are available here. You have options of swimming pool, kids play area, senior citizen area, lawn, cabanas, sit out zone, party hall and a lot of other things. The list is very long. So now let's talk about the configurations available here. You have 1 BHK of 535 square feet and 2 BHK, which will be a Jodi unit of 1072 square feet. This is your 1 BHK sample apartment of 535 square feet. Come inside. Your living room is spaced 8 into 14.5. The space is good enough for you to keep a sofa set right here. Opposite to it would be your television unit, and in this carpet size you will be getting an attached balcony with the living room, proper toughened glass sliding doors you will be getting. And this side is going to be your kitchen. Kitchen is also having enough space to store all your kitchen utilities. 6.5 into 5.11 is the size, your specific area for the refrigerator, and the storage is enough for you to keep all your essentials. Let's have a look at the bedroom. 8.4 into 10 in 0.10 is the dimension. Your bed comes right here. Bedside tables will also fit really nicely. You could fit a cupboard right here. And with this you get an attached washroom also. The fitting and the tiling work, everything is going to look exactly like this. Really elegant and posh. And now I know you're waiting for the prices. 1 BHK here is starting at 47 lakhs. So you heard it right. It's just 47 lakhs at a prime location like this by a developer who has a very solid legacy. They have delivered commercial, residential, and of course the World Trade Center Bengaluru is done up by them. So I don't think you need more introduction and more laurels that I need to add to their name. It's a trusted name and so many families trust them. They have a very big customer base. So if you heard the name, you have to trust it, and the location is so supreme. The KIADB has such a bright future. If you're looking for an investment which is going to grow exponentially in the coming future, the return on investment is going to be really high. Residential projects in the last 3 years in this area have appreciated 20 to 30%. So I think this is the right opportunity for you to put your money in the right place in a project like this, in a location absolutely amazing. So for booking purposes, contact us on the details given below.